Wow. Okay.
Jessica.
Yeah?
You get a LightMode kit. You get a LightMode kit. Sorry, Kyle.
Ooh.
I don't got one for you. Today, I'm installing these Evo kits on Stan The Moto Man's and Jessica's RF-1200's. Roll the intro. Okay, so first step with these guys is we gotta clean the helmets. They got the little microfiber cloths. They're gonna get spraying. All right, so the next step is basically you guys gotta have to open up your little presents. So that's Aqua, and that's like cool white. It has like a bit of a pinkish hue when it's off.
Wow, I know who this guy is.
Oh, he's famous, isn't he?
No, he's kind of a nobody. Just kidding. It's really hard once it's plugged in.
Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, so plug it in, pick your mount.
Going camping. We'll camp out, boys.
Yeah, is that fire ban still on?
No fire ban.
No, I can't get the 3M off because of my nails. Please help me. My nails are too thick. You know what? I have tweezers.
I can help you.
No,
Sure.
this is how I do stuff with nails.
Alright. The most insecure women are the ones that refuse help from men.
Strong, independent woman. This is not working either.
And he's lost a bunch of subscribers.
Probably. Satisfaction.
Oh yeah. What's that called? ASMR or something?
This is us taking off the sticker.
It has to be right beside the mic.
I'll throw 'em right there.
Yeah, don't press firmly, just do like light.
A
and
gentle?
then, yeah, because you might need to lift it up and reposition.
That's it. Now I just like go at her.
Just give her.
Just give her. Okay.
Looks good, good job. Let's look at how it's properly done now though.
They call me the helmet wrangler. Kind of like went over the spoiler, so it doesn't stick too well when it has like a big kink to go over. And then you just test the visor, make sure it can flip up. I'm a little more perfectionist than Jessica, so I take a little longer.
This is my first time, okay?
That's what she said. That's what she said.
She said sometimes I just float away, fall asleep until the break of day. I'll wait for no one till I'm ready. Don't get me up, don't get me up, don't get me up till I'm awake.
I'm a perfectionist as well, so this is very
Oh,
annoying.
this is not right. What am I doing wrong?
This is a terrible promotional video for LightMode. Just utter frustration. Oh god, is that what I've been selling people this whole time? You know what? The first half is actually pretty easy because you just stick it on. And the second half, you're trying to make everything symmetrical.
I almost have it, I just can't get it to match.
That's not bad. How do I tuck this wire now?
You can like tuck it under and over or something, go around. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could also use an extension wire if you want to go like all the way around the controller. It's up to you. Nice. Oh, that looks good. So on camera it kind of looks similar colored, but that one on the left is aqua and then that one is like a cold white. Nice. Nice. Nice, dude. I can't wait to do the whole night shoot. Coming up pretty much right now. Oh no, his face! Run, Stan, run down.
Yeah.
That sucks. No way.
Snap! Wow! Wow!
Put your visor up then.
Is that like comes with the helmet, or you?
Well, actually, let me tell you about this product called LightMode.
Oh,
That's why we're
it's
filming.
working.
Yeah, it's all good. No, your reaction's dope. What's wrong with Stan? Stan, are you okay? Malfunctioning.